Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the kitchen again. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do brown stewed chicken. This is the method that I use. So here I have the chicken. It's already washed and cut up. I have some natural seasonings here. I also have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I have some brownie. So this is what I'll be using to season the chicken today. So I'm just adding some of the powdered seasoning to the chicken right now. I'm not using any specific measurements. I don't normally use measurements when I'm cooking at home, and I'm using a little browning. Don't add too much as it will give it a dark color which will look a little unappealing, so don't use too much. So this is what it looks like when I rubbed it up, and I'm going to add the natural seasoning now. After adding it, I'm going to give it a stir, cover it, and leave it to marinate. The marination process takes anytime between 15 to 20 minutes. Time to start the cooking process of the chicken. So now I'm just adding a little vegetable oil to the pot, just enough to coat the bottom. Once the oil is heated, the chicken can now be added to the pot. Chicken was left uncovered for approximately 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add some water along with the rest of seasoning that was left in the container. I'm going to give it a little stir. And cover the pot. Ahead and cut up carrots and string beans to add to the meat. So this is to add a little extra color and nutrition to the stewed chicken. I'm going to cover the pot again and leave it to finish cooking and show you the finished result. Also adding a bit of sugar to the meat. This is optional. I'm also adding some tomato ketchup, which is also optional. So stewed chicken is easy to prepare. It does not require a lot of attention, and it's also a healthy option of animal protein. So if you're on the health conscious side, you can prepare this and enjoy it. The chicken is ready now. So on this plate I have brown stewed chicken, rice and peas. If you want to see how to prepare rice and peas, that is in my previous video. And I also have sliced cucumbers and tossed vegetable salad. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope my video helped someone. Bye.